Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. What's really happening? We saw the market was going up and down, which is normal, but we saw DXY was trying to do what? DXY was trying to reverse, which is good because at least that momentum from that stronger momentum from the dollar, it's easing slowly, but yeah, we will go straight to that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So we have our economic calendar. Oh, before we go there, guys, before we go there, I just want to clear this because I think maybe people they don't really understand. Let me just make this full or not full. Okay, this, I think this way it will work. Okay, it's fine like this. So what's really happening with our signals is what are we going to offer like signals? We offer Nasdaq, US30, German 40, S&P 500, gold. I think you can see them there. Also currency pairs, but mostly major currency pairs. Yes, we also do some minor pairs here and there. But at the moment, for something that people don't really understand, we have that special where we say you have the power in your hands just to discount yourself. Let's say maybe you want to join yearly signals. You can say, Kenzo, I can see yearly signals is $280, but I have this much. Is it okay if I can join with whatever that I can afford at the moment? And yes, we're gonna take it from there, you see. And it's just once off payment. Once you pay, I can't say pay this much tomorrow. No. You can just let me know and we can discuss on that. So this time we also actually offered that special also on our mentorship. So on our mentorship, the thing is, it's not going to be as crazy as 12 months like this. We can do maybe 5 months or 6 months because you will be getting this on a special. Plus, you can still learn more within 2 months, you see. So the other months, they will be only on practicals just to go back and try to see whatever that you have learned, it's working. You see. So you have the right to discount yourself, whether you want 1 month, 3 months, let me know. But this is limited. It's not going to stay here forever. So for those who want to be part of the team, please let me know. Let me know. You can scan this QR code or you can just WhatsApp me. You can just WhatsApp me here and yeah, you can start to be part of the team and we can start to eat together. So what I want here is I think it's something that people they should actually take advantage of. It's our mentorship. You learn a lot. You know, if maybe you've been in the market, it's not only for beginners only. Even if maybe you've been trading but you are not actually profitable, you're trying stuff, they don't really work out, you're not actually consistent, you still struggle with risk management and you know that you need to change that. Something needs to change. Then you can be part of the mentorship if you have those issues. But if you feel like no, everything is fine, I don't really have much time to do my own stuff, I will just go with the signals. Simple as that. So yeah, I hope that made sense, right? So what's really happening? What's really happening on Eurozar? Oh, I think I was supposed to explain see what it's really happening on the economic calendar. So as it's actually Thursday, we can easily see that we don't really have much. It's only unemployment claims, Australian employment change. Hey guys, we were asleep here. It's like way too early, 3:30, but we used to wake up around that time and trade those spikes. So it's only unemployment claims, not really aggressive. Tomorrow it's a retail sales GBP only. So it means we don't really have much. So maybe the market will be trying to move quite smoother and maybe things will be going back to normal. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Eurozar, what's really happening on Eurozar? We can easily see that yes, the market was going up very nice. It's called uptrend. So instead of the market going up or continuing with the uptrend, the market decided to break out of that structure, and now we are on this nice downtrend, even though it's not really that aggressive, but we can see that this is where the market gave us a breakout. The market gave us a proper breakout here. So I'm expecting to see the market doing what? The market continuing going even lower. That's what I see at the moment. You can see that we also have this quick sell pending order. If the market continues to touch that, I'm expecting to see the market going even lower. As the market just broke out, I'm expecting a very proper sell on that. So what's really happening on Euro JPY? Since Euro JPY was going up, we can easily see that we are reaching this resistance, even though the market it's been there for quite some time. Yesterday it was there, so you can see we coming from this type of a structure, very nice uptrend. You can see that a very, very, very clear uptrend. So where we are now, let me just zoom. Where we are waiting for the market to reverse or maybe to break. I hope you can see this. I'm waiting for the market to respect this level, and then maybe the market will end up touching this area, so which means we're going to adjust this trends there. But sometimes the market can reach this area and bounce back, quite similar to here. So which means at the moment we're just waiting for a breakout. You can place maybe a notification around this area. Once the market crosses there, you will know that, oh, Euro JPY it's crossing, then we can continue with that bullish momentum because we are on that uptrend. So I'm expecting the market to continue. If it doesn't really continue, I'm expecting the market to come around this area so that we can look for another buy, or maybe the market will be trying to reverse. The market is going crazy, but on Euro JPY it's moving very smooth. So if the market is going crazy, guys, that's part of the market. The market sometimes has to do that, especially when we have all this especially when we have this geopolitical news and stuff, tensions all over the place, right? So they cause the market or the economy to just go up and down. And that, I think, is a good time for everyone to learn. You can learn one or two things, and from there, maybe next year things will be cool. And once you start to see moves like that, you will understand that, oh, this I'm not you. I know how the market react when we have this type of a situation, right, guys? It's not really the first of the year at the moment. It's April, but we still have time. Let me say I will say we, both of us, we still have enough time to learn, to correct our mistakes, and at the end of the day, to be profitable. The aim is to be profitable. And I think the more, or the what we want most is to be consistent. You can be profitable and still not be consistent. You can make money today, tomorrow, and maybe the third day or on Friday, everything just go back to the market. So you need to learn how to keep that money and keep making more. You see, sometimes it's difficult, and just to learn that by yourself, sometimes you can do that, but sometimes it's going to take time. You see, emotions, we have to learn about emotions, guys. It's something that we don't really learn on the streets, but we have to understand that we need that. We need that, especially when we work with money. It's decisions that we take that are affecting our consistency. So try to learn, guys. Try to learn. Also, we have that mentorship. So now you can easily see that we are on USD JPY. The market is doing what? The market is going up. Likely enough, this area of resistance, it seems to be respected there. The market is going down a little bit. So I don't know where the market is going to find that respect. Are we going to consider this horizontal one here? Or maybe our diagonal support? If that happens, that is going to be way too simple or way too clear. So, or maybe the market will try to break out of that resistance. That will also be good because we already see that we are on this uptrend. So we expect to buy. We are expecting to do what? So buy. Simple as that. So GBP, JPY, quite straightforward, quite similar to what we saw on USD JPY, sorry, not Euro JPY. So we also have a quite similar structure, both of them are on this nice uptrend. So we reached this resistance. So now we're just waiting for the market to reverse, which means you're supposed to wait. Don't really sell it there, because this is actually on a very nice uptrend, because you might sell and it can break that level. So be extra careful, because we can see that this market did test this level several times. We have tested this area several times, something like that. Do you see that? So we tested that level several times, so which means there is a chance for the market just to break this level and never come back here. Or it will, but maybe for quite some time, after a very long time. So I'm expecting something like that to happen. We can wait for that, or maybe wait for a breakout. One of the two, simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is Bitcoin, crypto. If maybe you wanted to join the team also, we also allow or accept cryptocurrencies. So what's really happening? We were on a very nice aggressive uptrend, but it seems like that is coming to an end now. We are on 61. It seems like the market wants to continue going down, but at the moment we are on a very nice level. Maybe the market will respect that and start to go to the upside. That's what I see. If not, it means the market might just end up reversing. But I saw DXY was also reversing very well, or very nice. I thought maybe Bitcoin will be following that. So on this one, as I used to show you this on a daily time frame, because I think it's way too clear there. So now you can see that this is what I see on a daily time frame. I hope you see this. I hope this is clear on your side. You see that? So this area, to me, it makes sense. You see that? 1, 2, 3. Those are our strongest resistance that we have at the moment, and on a daily time frame. So that's why we see the market trying to reverse there. Do you see that? So that reversal, obviously, it will have some effects on other pairs like Nasdaq US30s or Euro USDs, all of them, right? So this, you can see, it's 2 days of reversal. First day it was here, now it's the second day, but we did not really close this candlestick, but it seems like the market will be going down. Likely enough, I did show you this from Sunday until today. I'm still showing you this. So for those who don't know, we actually send this every day. Daily analysis is every day, and also on weekends, on Sunday, I do weekly analysis, right? So this is what we saw, that reversal. So if we go on 4 hours time frame, you can see that, whoa, the market is actually reversing, which is good. So now we have these two areas. It was a previous resistance. You see that the market might reach this area maybe before going up. If it's aggressively on that sell, maybe it will end up breaking out of that and continuing going down. But this sell, the other way around, this sell shows that USD, it's slowly weakening, which is good, right? Because it was aggressive against other papers, but it was necessary for the market to reverse with this after these aggressive moves. You see that? I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. You see that? Now this is DXY, this is Euro USD. So DXY is going down because the euro dollar is getting weaker and weaker a little bit. Now, what do you see here? We also see that reversal. That's why I said it's better. We are on this nice downtrend, but it's better for us if we want to sell. Let's sell below this area, or maybe let's wait for the market to reach this point. If it respects that, we can say it's time for us to sell. Or maybe the market might continue and reach this stronger resistance there before we see a proper sell. But at the moment, it shows that the market is still trying to reverse. We also see DXY trying to reverse. It might even reach there. We don't know. But there, I don't see me selling anything there, unless if the market reaches this area and bounces back. So the best thing is to wait for the market to show you the road. So now we are on Gbpusd, quite similar structures as always, Euro USD and Gbpusd. So what do we expect? I'm expecting something like this. going down, you see. So now the market is reversing, but not really aggressive as USD. So maybe the market will end up reaching this nice previous support. Now that is going to be our resistance before we go down, or maybe the market will even continue before respecting this resistance. At the moment, we are still bearish. We're not gonna buy. We will sell if the market breaks the support or anywhere around these areas. I hope you see that. I hope you see that, and I hope it's clear. Gold. Goldie, still bullish, guys. We see that we had some reversals here and there, and I see a very nice structure and adjustment structure, and we need to adjust that, right? So we can easily see that the market is giving us this nice support, but this movement can be aggressive. This movement can be aggressive. You can see here it was a smaller support. There is a point where sometimes you just need to wait a little bit. I think we did have a buy, not yesterday, or maybe yesterday or day before that. You can see that we had all these nice buys, but the market was giving us this type of rejections. But you need to be extra safe. Gold has this type of rejection. So even if maybe your stop loss was nicely put there, the market can still touch that and reverse. So I think there you just have to make sure that you don't over risk so that you can actually use a proper stop loss, right? So we are still bullish. Obviously, we can see that the market is respecting our support area, and it seems like on top there that resistance is still holding very, very, very strong. So which means something like this can actually work very nice, you see. So I'm still bullish. Yes, there is a possibility for the for gold to reverse, but we saw DXY is very weak, so which means we might start to see another continuation. But sometimes sometimes they don't really correlate like that. We saw aggressive sell on DXY, which means yes, we're supposed to see some stronger buy, but sometimes the market might react differently. You have to understand that. So, but at the moment, yes, we are still on this nice bullish structure, and we need to follow that. That makes our job way too easy, way too easy. Now we are on USD, guys. Let me repeat, because there's people who skip it up to this point. We still have that special where you can just give yourself some discount. That actually means that if you want to join lifetime, you can say, Kenzo, I have maybe 350 or 380 or whatever the amount that you want to join with, and we will discuss on that. And I say, okay, it's fine. If maybe you want yearly or whatever, tell me and say, Kenzo, I have this much. Can I pay that? So which means I'm giving you the freedom to join, for those who wants to join, by the way. So on our signal side, we send signal daily, and yeah, we have US30, Nasdaq, almost all major instruments. We mostly trade them. So on the mentorship side, yes, we also have that. So if you want to be mentored by me, but this is going to be limited by less than 10 people because I can't keep up with everyone. So and make sure that we meet 3 times a week and you learn every day. So according to your schedule, if you want mentorship, we meet 3 times a week until we reach a point where you can say, yeah, now I'm consistent trader. So for those who wants to be profitable, by the way, but if you just want to still go through the markets by your own, it's fine, guys. You can still learn on your own, but sometimes it takes time. To be honest, you can still learn on your own, but it's better to get information that you can learn within 2 months. You already know everything than going through 1 year, 2 years trying to find something. At the same time, you will be losing some cash. You see, it's tough to learn when people start to decide to learn when they already lost everything. But when things they were still nice, they thought maybe, no, I'm gonna get this right, and then reality shows you flames. Then you will say, oh, now it's time for me to check for something. So anyways, now we are on US30. Let's see what's really happening. This is obvious. You can see we are coming from this nice uptrend. Now we are going on the new trend, which means Now we are focusing on that downtrend. So don't mix things, guys. Let's not mix things. Just because we're on an uptrend, it's not like we're still gonna follow that uptrend. We change with the market structure. We follow what we see, and what we see is what we applied from our strategy. So now you can see that the market is giving us some very nice structure, and it's easier because you can connect that. You can see the market moves like that, even if it's not really perfectly like that, but you can see that that can be a very nice continuation. But with this smaller reversal, sometimes it's easier for the market to you can enter here, the market can reverse aggressively. Like here, we can have a sell, then the market is back there again. So that can be difficult, but it's understandable. The market is still at the early stages of this breakout. And then I'm expecting to see if the market wants to continue on this downtrend. I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that, unless if maybe the market tries to break our resistance. You can see there. Let me try to draw that nicely. If the market try to break out of this, we can say, okay, maybe the market is thinking otherwise. Maybe we're gonna continue doing what? Continue buying again. But at the moment, we are still on that downtrend, so we have to look for those sell positions. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening? You can easily see that the market is still on this nice downtrend. The market is coming from this nice uptrend, quite similar to US30. You can see that we were on this nice uptrend. Now the market just broke out of our structure, so I'm expecting to see the market continuing going down. You can see that we did have a nice downtrend structure there, and we were on a positive for maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. Then the market started to reverse, so I'm expecting to see a continuation, but things might change. But at the moment, we can easily see that yes, we are still under that breakout, which means the market can still continue on this nice newly formed downtrend structure. Let's hope that that structure is gonna keep up with that momentum, because it was going crazy. It was going down aggressively yesterday, but it seems like the market wants to change that. But still, we are still on downtrend. Most likely the market will start to move aggressively when the market opens, quite similar to S&P 500. You can see that we are coming from this aggressive sell. So this is still early, but we're still gonna, if this trend is gonna continue, we're gonna still have something like this, but in the opposite direction, which means whatever that happens here, it's still early. The market might reverse here and there. We have geopolitical news, guys. One way or another, these reversals are actually expected. But let's try to be flexible. If you use your stop loss, try to relax your stop loss, because you know that this time, if you just use tight stop loss, you might end up losing. You see, so something like this might be coming. Maybe we might have something like that continuing going down. As I said, I will be showing you our signals for this week. Yeah, I think for this week and last week. Let's see. Come on. VIP signals. So for those who know, I do send these things. And for those who wants to maybe test our signal, we also have some free signal group in the description, but don't expect me to send more, because there's people who paid, then I can send more to them, right? So this was S&P 500. You can see that. Then the market did go a little bit lower. Even on Nasdaq, you can see this, what I was talking about. So oil, I was expecting it to go up, but it reversed. So AUDJPY, I think, is still trying to go up. S&P 500 going down. So this is how I sent the signals. You can see here. This is how I send the signals. So you can see we are 195 in the group. So you can join the team. You can join the team. We still have that special where you can actually discount yourself. So on this, on US oil, the structure just changed aggressively. So I was actually expecting the market to reverse on this support area, as it did previously. You can see the market did respect this level for quite some time, but guess what? The market broke out there and started to go even lower. But we will see what will happen. We will see what will happen. If this continues, it means we might end up having those sells, or maybe the market can just break out and go up. But there was some news for those who maybe don't check the news of this oil. If you trade oil, you can check the news for oil. Let's see. Let's go on Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Yeah, let me show you something. So on this calendar, just move your mouth towards this Forex Factory. You can see metals if you want to see some stuff that happens with gold and other ones. So energy, obviously we are going to talk about oil also. So let's see what we had. Click calendar here so that you can see what we had. So you can see that crude oil yesterday on oil, if you trade oil, for those who trade oil, they will be interested in this. So you can see crude oil, they thought maybe the number was going to go down because of tensions, but they went up. So this actually means there is more oil or enough oil, so which means it's not really on that crazy demand. So that will bring the price to go down. Do you see that? Crude oil, you see that? I hope you see that. That's why we saw that aggressive sell. But we were expecting the market to go up after the news, because we thought maybe just because with the tensions, maybe oil or movement, or I think with that number was going to go down because of those tensions, because those countries there like Iran and Russia, they have enough oil. So if maybe the tensions just escalate, things make things worse for oil. So I was expecting that, but we will see what we can do here. We had a nice buy pending order there. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.